Hey, welcome back to our Getting Started with Wendougee series. And today we're going to talk about backflushing this machine. Now, backflushing the machine, it's really not that hard regardless of which machine you have, but I feel like the Wendougee DATA has a really cool feature built into it. So I want to show you how to just do this real quick. It doesn't take very long. Really all you need is just your portafilter and the included backflush blind. And what we'll do is we'll pop out our normal portafilter basket and set it aside and insert our blind into it. Now, if you're not familiar with what a blind is, it's really just a basket with no holes in it to create pressure on the group head. So I do want to show you how to change this setting. Now, you don't need to do this every single time, but if you wanted to change how many times it ran through the cleaning cycle, we can go to the settings. Let's go to system settings, and you'll see the first option is the cleaning time, the standing time, and the number of cleanings. So the cleaning time, what it's going to do is it's going to turn on the pump full pressure, in this case for 5 seconds, and then it's going to open the three-way valve, turn off the pump, and it's going to release that water into the drip tray and stand for 5 seconds. Then the last setting is how many times do you want it to do this. So it's defaulted to 5 seconds cleaning, 5 seconds standing, and to do that 3 times. If for whatever reason you wanted to change the number of cleanings, or how long the pump ran, or how long of a pause, you can change that here. Now, you don't need to set this every single time. So let's go back to our home screen, and you'll see that we have this water droplet. So this is more of like the day-to-day. You're done with pulling some shots for the day, and you just want to do a quick backflush. I personally like to have just a second portafilter, just hang it on the wall, put it in, and at the end of the day, you can click this water droplet, and you'll see that those settings that we just talked about show up on the screen. And when we click start cleaning, it's just going to go through its cleaning process. So now we're done with the cleaning. It ran 3 times. You can just click the X and you're done for the day. You can turn off the machine. Now you will have some water in your backflush blind. I usually just dump it into the drip tray and swap my normal portafilter basket back in so that I'm ready to pull shots the next day. Now, I know people are going to ask, should I use like Cafezza or something like that in this machine? And while I won't say no, never use it, I really use it very sparingly, as it's kind of hard on the internals of espresso machines. It usually kind of wears away on like some of the grease and some of the fittings or your three-way valves. So I really use it sparingly. But if you were to do that, you just put a little bit of Cafezza in there. And when you're done running it through the machine, I usually would just probably just go to manual and just have it run some water into the drip tray just so that you're getting any of that residual cleaner off, and then I wipe it with a towel. So that's really it for today. I hope this helps you get started with your Wendougee DATA. It's a really cool machine, and it's really easy to keep clean. But for today, thanks for watching.